this video, I'm going to give you A to Z tutorial on how to build the sales funnels inside System.io. If you don't know what the System.io is a automation system which it allows you to build the sales funnels, landing pages, and so on. It's also an automation which is having autoresponder itself, which is you don't have to put any integration. So what you have to do is to start running business as soon as possible. So I'm also going to show you how much it costs, the price, list, everything. So before I go ahead, I also prepared some bonuses that you can use to your business. If you use the link that I'm going to leave in the description below, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. If this is something that you're interested on how to build a business online, I'm going to leave the link in the description below about System.io. So make sure you click the link in the description and sign up for free, guys. This is a bonus that I have prepared for you guys. There's a lot of things. This is a bonus. This is a profitmaximizers.com. It's from John Armstrong, which created these bonuses. There are more than 80 bonuses that you can use that it can help you to start making money online as well. So I'm going to give you login details about these bonuses, guys, if you join System.io using the link in the description. So these are bonuses that I'm sure they will help you. There's a lot of things, a lot of bonuses inside there. How to build fusion, multiplier, the secret. There's a lot which I can't even waste my time talking about. This bonus, line jacking, passive income, these are the things that they can help you to start making money online, which is no excuse for you to start making money online. So if this is the thing that you're interested in, make sure you click the link in the session and use System.io, sign up for System.io. So this System.io, this is how it looks. Let's get to know price list and everything. So this is a price list, guys. The goodness of this, what I like, is you can start from scratch for free, guys, without spending any money or any banking details. So as you can see here, this is a free plan. There's a starter plan for $27 per month, and there's a webinar which is $47 and also $97 is the price per month, which is here you can get unlimited, everything unlimited. And here there's a lot of things that you can get also here inside. With a free plan as well, you have email sent unlimited, source funnels 3, source funnels step 10, blog 1, blog post unlimited, courses 1, fast starts unlimited, students unlimited. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of benefit, which is you don't have an excuse. So this is how it works. Without wasting much time, let me show you on how you can create sales funnels quickly. So this is a dashboard I've already started using, and I'm collecting leads, already 6 leads right now. This is the emails that I'm collecting here, as you can see. This is how it looks like. So once you're inside here, once you sign up everything, it will look clear, things like this. Here you have a dashboard, contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automation, product sales. So for this tutorial, we're gonna go here with the funnel. Just click there. Once you click here, you're gonna come here with say create funnel. So come here with say create. Let me name this testing. Here you're gonna choose which one you want to get. There's a build an audience, collecting emails, address, and build your email list. This is what we want. There's also, if you have your own product, you can sell product, and also build a customer funnels from scratch, and also run an evergreen webinar to automate your business. So in this tutorial, we're gonna go here. We're gonna collect email address and build email list. So I want to click create. So once you are here, once you create it, we're gonna have to choose a template, simple template for collecting emails. For me myself, I'm using something here. Let me scroll down and see. Which one is it? Okay, let's take anything simple here without wasting. Okay, I'm using this one. This one here. It's the one I'm using. So I'm gonna select this one because the one I found it easy for me. So at the left side here, you can create squeeze pages, thank you page, and the inactive pages. So remove myself on top here. For this is squeeze page, everything here. This is your link. We're gonna come here where you say edit. You have to edit this page and make things clear. So we're gonna create that. Guys, with this system.io, you can make money. There's an affiliate program also. You can join them and start making money as soon as possible. So there's no excuse at all, guys. It's only up to you. So this is how it looks like. You have to edit everything. It's not hard for this. So we're gonna start editing right now. So we're gonna remove this. Doesn't matter. You have to put things simple for you guys. Here, join our affiliate program and get 40 commission. You can change it to anything. Just say, talk anything that you want to talk, you know, like, hey guys, I'm giving free, if you have anything to say, you know, anything that you are doing, you know, you can just say, hey guys, if you want to join to start making money online, make sure you put your email address and join the program for free. Just simple like that, you know. And once you've done that, you can change everything. Also, you can change the background, you know, for just to make things easier, you know. So if you want to change this one, if you want to change color, just click here, and the email you have to come here as a order. You change color, you know, whatever you like, you know. Or I like white, so I'm gonna leave white. So here there's font size. You can, you know, there's font size you can increase, you can make it slow, and, you know, it's up to you. Email, input email. So what it does, this one, is if someone click here, you're gonna collect emails. And once you collect those emails, you're gonna follow up again later on. You can promote anything using or with their email address that they left you. So that's a goodness of email marketing. So here is you're building business, guys, a long-term business which you're collecting emails, their data, so that you can be able to promote the other product as well. It doesn't matter any product program that you're promoting or product that you want to sell. So you can follow them up again using a system.io again, since it's automation email sender, you know. So there's no excuse at all. So there's a lot of things here to my right hand. You just have to play with this on how it looks like, you know. It's up to you what you're gonna need. So yeah, that's it. There's no excuse, guys, if you want to edit here. So if you want to put a link here, any link, just come here, and I will say setting. I'm gonna send form. Get next page here. Then come here, we say to a customer URL. So I'm gonna put any URL here that I want to direct URL here. Just put any URL. Then you're good to go. Once you put, you just come here, save changes. Then yeah, you have to play everything around you, you know. Doesn't matter. Then once you've done everything, you see okay, everything looks clear, background, everything is sharp. Once you can also, I forget one thing here, you can also add pop-up email. You know what the pop-up? Pop-up is something which is like when you are leaving, the email pop-up is going to come, hey, you forget to put your email, can you put your email address, something like that. This is pop-up. Also, once you edit like this, you can also check to your mobile phone and see how it looks like. But you just have to play around it. There's nothing which is hard here. It's drag and drop, you know. So yeah, that's it. So once you've done that, just come here. Boom. To save it, everything. Okay, then boom, you're good to go. Everything, you know. So if I copy this email, this link, this is my page, this is how it looks like. You can just go here and paste it and see how it looks like. Remember, I created this for free. I didn't pay anything. You know? So boom, I'm having a salesman. You know? So if someone will just put email address here, yeah, I'm gonna receive. I'm gonna get their data, and yeah, I can follow them up later on again. So this is the goodness, guys. So yeah, there's no excuse, guys. So, and also here, there's email. If you want to send the emails, you just come here and say emails. Come here. Say campaign. You have to click campaign newsletter. Okay. Oops, looks like empty. So I have to create new newsletter here. Boom. You just want to name it anything that you want. Let me say free book. Free ebook. Free ebook. Send the name. Say yeah. And here you have to say the visual editor and the graphic editor. Actually, I normally like white things. So I like normal one like this one. So I just choose this and come here create. First, let me make things clear, guys. When you are sending emails like this, if you want to send them emails, make sure you have email professional email address for business. As you can see here, the right email address from gmail.com cannot be used as a sender address because of DMARC policy. For more information, you can click here for you to get email, business email, then create email. I think it can cost you more than, I think it's $5 or $10. Get that email to be able to start sending emails from your customer. So please choose an email address with another domain name. So as you can see here, Gmail is not allowed here. They need a professional email address for you to be able to send emails. So for better deliverability, we strongly recommend using an email address from your own domain name. So that's it. Just get an email. You can get that in Google, guys. Is let me use it. So yeah, you can go to Google Wake admin also. You get an email address. So yeah, you can get things here. You just go to Google Workspace and get emails for guys. So once you're done, once you have, you can start sending emails. Simple like that. And also, what did I forget again? Blog, template, blog, automation, workflow, product. There's a lot of things: physical product, coupon, order, transactions, submission, affiliate invoices, and also if you want to promote this system.io, they have on your affiliate. You just create you just come here and say my affiliate program. I didn't start promoting it yet because I'm just giving you. You know. So you have to go. You have to come here and apply for affiliate as affiliate and get approved and start promoting this one. So yeah, I'm sure you can go and do that on your own. So when you come here to the dashboard, here is a unique link that you're gonna use. And yeah, start promoting it. And once someone will join you under your link, you get also 40% commission lifetime using this one. So the more people are joining, the more money you make. So yeah, there's no excuse, guys. You can go start making money, simple as that. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope if you have any question, make sure you ask in the comment below. And also don't forget the bonuses that I've mentioned. And if someone like leave the email address, you're going to see here to the dashboard, main dashboard here. You'll see them here in your right side here, and it also will show up here how many reads per day you are getting, you know. So yeah, that's it. They will appear the email that you're collecting. So guys, yeah, that's it. Don't forget my bonuses that I've shown you guys. These bonuses are very valuable, but I'm gonna give you for free, guys. for free. I'm going to give you login details and be able for you to be able to start using this. You can go and watch every video which are here, guys, because there's a lot of things here. I'm sure you will like these bonuses because there's a lot of things, bonuses, guys. Blogs, websites, videos, everything, how to get traffic, how to start making money online. So guys, this is amazing. And also you can use these bonuses to it's up to you whether if you want to sell this or you want to give your people for free. It's up to you, but for me, I'm giving for free. I don't want to anything from you guys. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna give you these bonuses for free if you use the link in the description below. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Again, if you want me to, if you don't understand anything, comment below. I'll be able to answer all the questions. So yeah, guys, thank you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friend who are interested in making money, and also follow my second channel and subscribe as well. Yeah, so thank you so much.